feel that Filipinos will stop celebrations over Christmas, or have you? Do you feel the same optimism as Okta that this might come in February and people are still welcome to at least enjoy the holidays? Or do you feel that this will have some staggering effect on consumption in what should be our most important month?
I think I tend to agree with Okta. We haven't yet detected and the variant entering our shores. So in terms of some positive sentiment, we may be seeing still some sustainability of this. I think if you've gone during the weekend, you've seen volume of traffic have really improved. In fact, we're basically near pre-pandemic levels. I expect that this may continue for the next couple of weeks. I think this sentiment may change once there are some signs that Omicron variant has already entered our country.
Okay, what about the property space here, which is of course very linked to retail players going back to work? Are you seeing, them having to bear the brunt of this yet again, or do you feel that they've been resilient in the past? They've managed to quickly turn around whenever the cases decline, for example, and we did see some of the malls quickly reopening. Just recently. Do you feel that investors are giving them the benefit of the doubt?
I think definitely because of this news, there will be some knee-jerk reaction. So aside from property, other cyclical names will also be affected. And as you presented on your presentation, in terms of the good performers, it's basically going back on consumer staples. But I expect that the property market can easily rebound once we can get additional clarity that this variant may not be as, I think, as infectious or as severe as everyone is basically the major concern.
Okay, of course, we're all hoping for that clarity. We're all hoping that that does happen. But in the meantime, you see a major sell-off in the likes of airlines, which has just already had some space to breathe. How do we know if this is an opportunity for buying in? How do we know whether to believe in these cyclical stocks and these highly battered stocks already? Should we actually be thinking that this is an opportunity to enter?
I think for the next couple of days, I expect that there should be some additional sell-off from the sectors. However, once um, I think there's a big decline on the sector or number of names. I believe that it may be an opportunity for you to accumulate these names.
Mhm.
Again, as I continue to mention, there's still a lot of moving parts that we still have to, I think, determine. But once we can get additional clarity, and I hope that it will be positive, then I think I expect that these sectors can easily bounce back.